Hello there! A very big welcome to English Practice PB. I am so incredibly happy that you decided to spend a bit of your day with me. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that English is like a wall? You study the grammar, you memorize the lists of words, you listen to others speak, but when it's your turn to talk, your mind just goes blank. The words feel stuck. You start to translate every single sentence in your head, and it feels so heavy. If that sounds like you, please listen closely. You are not alone. Almost every English learner feels this way. But today, I want to share something truly special with you. It is a simple 10-minute daily habit. Just 10 minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Only 10 minutes? How can that change anything? Well, believe me, it can. This tiny habit is more powerful than any thick textbook or any boring 3-hour lecture. If you commit to this every single day, your speaking will become smooth. Your words will start to flow like water. You will finally feel confident when you open your mouth to speak. So, are you ready to change your English forever? Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the why. Why is 10 minutes the magic number? Many students think they need to study for hours and hours to get better. They wait for the weekend to spend a whole afternoon on English. But the truth is, your brain doesn't work that way. Your brain learns best through small, regular moments of contact. Think about it like this. If you want to grow a beautiful garden, do you give the plants 10 buckets of water once a month? No, they would die. You give them a little bit of water every single day. Language is exactly the same. It is a living thing. Even 10 minutes a day keeps your brain in English mode. It helps you connect words faster. It makes phrases stick in your memory. Think about the math. 10 minutes a day is 300 minutes a month. That is 5 hours of deep, focused practice every single month. That is huge. And the best part? You don't need a fancy classroom. You don't need an expensive teacher. You can do this while you're making tea. You can do it while you're walking to the store. You can do it in your bedroom. It fits into your life. The goal here is simple. We want to make English feel natural. We want to stop the translation machine in your head. We want you to start thinking in English. So, how do we do it? I have broken these 10 minutes into 5 easy steps. Each step is only 2 minutes long. You can do them all together, or you can spread them out throughout your day. The only rule is you must do them every day. Step 1 is all about listening. Give this just 2 minutes. Find a short video, a simple podcast, or a little dialogue. But here is the secret. Choose something that is easy for you. You should understand about 80% of it. Don't worry if you miss a word here or there. Just relax and listen. Don't try to translate it into your own language. Instead, focus on the music of the English. How do the words link together? Where does the speaker pause? Is their voice going up or down? This trains your ears to get used to the natural rhythm of English. Here's a pro tip. Use the same 2-minute audio every day for 1 whole week. I know it sounds boring, but trust me, repetition is where the real learning happens. By the 3rd day, you will start to hear things you missed on the 1st day. By the 7th day, those words will be a part of you. Step 2 is speaking out loud. 2 minutes. Now it's time to use your voice. Don't be shy. Even if you are completely alone, speak up. Take a few phrases you just heard in step 1 and repeat them. But don't just read them. copy them. If the speaker sounds happy, you sound happy. If they speak fast, you speak fast. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their energy. Your mouth is a collection of muscles. Just like a piano player trains their fingers, you're training your tongue and your lips to move in English ways. It might feel a little bit strange at first. You might feel silly, but that's okay. Every great speaker started right where you are. Don't worry about being perfect. Just move your mouth. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. Step 3 is to make it personal. 2 minutes. This is where English becomes your language. Take those sentences you just practiced and change them to fit your real life. For example, if the audio said, "I usually go to the office at 9" and you work from home, say, "I usually start my work at 8 in my living room." Or if they talk about a dog, talk about your cat. When you connect a new word to a real memory or a real feeling in your life, your brain says, "Oh, this is important. I should remember this." This step turns book English into real life English. It helps you stop forgetting words because they finally mean something to you. Step 4 is free speaking, 2 minutes. This is the most exciting part. Set a timer on your phone for 2 minutes. Now, just talk. Don't read anything. Don't look at your notes. Just speak. What did you eat for breakfast? What are you planning to do this weekend? What do you see out of your window right now? The topic doesn't matter. The grammar doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you keep talking until the timer goes off. If you get stuck and don't know a word, try to explain it using other words. If you make a mistake, just keep going. We are building your flow. At first, you might have long pauses. That is perfectly fine. With every passing day, those pauses will get shorter. Your words will come faster. You will start to feel the power of your own voice. Finally, step 5 is reflection. 2 minutes. Don't skip this. Spend the last 2 minutes just thinking about your practice. Ask yourself, which words felt easy today? Which sounds were a little bit difficult? Did I notice any mistakes I kept making? You don't need to write a long report. Just have a little conversation with yourself. This helps your brain file away everything you learned. It's like cleaning your room before you go to sleep. It prepares you to be even better tomorrow. So there you have it, 10 minutes. 2 minutes of listening, 2 minutes of copying, 2 minutes of personalizing, 2 minutes of free talking, and 2 minutes of reflecting. It sounds so small, doesn't it? But let me tell you why this works. First, it builds your confidence. When you do something every day, it stops being scary. English stops being a subject and starts being a habit. Second, it builds your memory. Your brain loves patterns. By doing this daily, you're telling your brain that English is a permanent part of your life. Third, it builds your flow. You are training your brain to think and speak at the same time. But I have to be honest with you. There are 3 big traps that learners fall into. I want to make sure you avoid them. Trap number 1, skipping days. Life gets busy. I get it. But if you stop for a week, you lose all that momentum. If you are having a truly crazy day, just do 1 minute, but do something. Keep the fire burning. Trap number 2, chasing perfection. Please, listen to me. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. If you wait until your grammar is 100% correct, you will never say a word. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Trap number 3, being bored. If you practice with things you hate, your brain will shut down. If you love cooking, talk about food. If you love football, talk about your favorite team. Make English fun. If you're smiling while you practice, you will learn 10 times faster. My dear friends, the secret to fluency isn't a magic pill. It isn't a secret app. It is just you showing up for yourself for 10 minutes every day. If you do this for 1 week, you will feel the difference in your heart. If you do it for 1 month, your friends and family will notice the difference. And if you do it for 6 months, I promise you, your English fluency will explode.
English isn't just something you learn in a classroom. It is something you build in the small moments of your life. While you're waiting for the bus, while you're brushing your teeth, while you're drinking your coffee. So start today, right now. Set a timer, pick a topic, and speak. Thank you so much for being a part of English Practice PB. I am so proud of you for taking this step. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and join our little community. We are all in this together. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Until next time, stay curious, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.